Thinking about building your dream barndominium in 2025, but worried about the rising costs? Don't stress. In this video, we're revealing the most affordable and smart material choices for your barndominium build this year. From budget-friendly siding options to durable flooring, roofing, and interior finishes, we'll walk you through the best materials that combine style, strength, and savings. Whether you're DIY Gen G or working with a builder, these 2025 material trends will help you stay on budget without sacrificing quality. Let's dive in. Looking for durability and affordability? Metal siding remains one of the top choices for 2025 barndominiums. It's low maintenance, weather resistant, and available in stylish finishes like matte black, which gives your home a modern yet rustic edge without breaking the bank. Want that cozy barn feel without the high cost of custom timber? Faux wood beams offer the look of real wood, but at a fraction of the price. Perfect for adding warmth and charm to your barndominium's open concept interiors. Concrete flooring isn't just for garages anymore. Polished concrete is affordable, long-lasting, and perfect for high-traffic barndominium living. Add a soft rug for warmth, and you've got the perfect balance between rustic utility and modern design. Corrugated metal panels aren't just for roofs. Using them as an interior or exterior accent wall is an affordable way to add character, texture, and a true barn-inspired aesthetic to your home in 2025. Shiplap remains a favorite in barndominium design for its clean, classic farmhouse vibe. In 2025, cost-effective MDF or pre-painted panels make installing white shiplap quicker and more affordable than ever, especially for kitchen walls or cozy living rooms. Salvaged wood barn doors are not only affordable, they tell a story. Using reclaimed materials gives your barndominium rustic charm while keeping costs low and reducing environmental impact. It's a smart and stylish design decision. Ditch upper cabinets and opt for DIY open shelves. Use budget-friendly pine or plywood to create airy, functional spaces in your kitchen. It's a practical way to cut material costs while maintaining that trendy, open look. Metal roofing, especially galvanized steel, is one of the most cost-effective roofing options available. It offers superior protection, long lifespan, and a rustic industrial appeal that fits the barndominium lifestyle perfectly in 2025. Want the look of wood without the price tag? Luxury vinyl planks are budget-friendly, waterproof, and super durable, making them a top choice for barndominium interiors in 2025. Combining your kitchen and living space into one large, open area doesn't just look great, it saves on framing and HVAC costs. Pair it with budget lighting and ready-to-assemble cabinets to stretch your construction dollars even further.